All right, I wanted to do a quick update on managing a longer term trade. This is a trade in crude that we've been involved with now for the better part of 3 weeks in August. We started selling oil when it rolled over. First of all, it rolled over here at around that 47.50 area. We were actually net short around 47. Now this is a little clunky because of the continuous contract that we're showing here. If you don't understand the continuous contract, that's another video that you can look for in our archive. But as we rolled over here, we were already short 47 level on the front month being V. And V is October, and these are crude front month currently. So when that happened, I wanted to bring this up here. Oil had already moved from 39 to a level of 43, 48, and then the pullback here was almost mechanical. 41, 28 was 50% retrace, and then it moved to this 49, 36 level. So in all, we totaled $10 in about 10 or 11 trading days. So we did take some heat. We sold 47, we basically sold 48, and we basically sold 49. Our average on the whole position was around 48. The first part of this came off severely right here, pulled back to 46s. We took off half the trade, and since then we've traded now 3 times. This was the first. We sold the rally back to 48, covered again near that new low. We sold again at 48, covered again in the 46s, and most recently, actually this morning, we sold again at 47.40. So this move here took about 12 days to get from 39 to 49, and then we, the last, let's call it 8 trading days, have been chopping around. Now what you'll see here, I want to show you kind of how we're managing this position. We've kind of created this rectangle, and I'm going to draw it really from level of 48, and that 48 down to about 46 and a half. And you can see this is the zone that we've been playing in these 8 days. We finally broke that on a closing price today, and this tells me that the next $2.50 approximately is going to take us to the next level. I've been saying for the last few weeks that I wanted to cover my net position at around 44.55, and the question is why? Well, again, this move here from 39 to 49, halfway back is right there at 44.55. So again, if we were to take a look at the fib, you can see this really easily. Move from high to low. This took a good month to go from 39, not even a month. It took about a 2-week span, about 14 days total. And I'm looking for a retracement in oil to take us down, and you can actually see as we speak the algo will hit this as it reopens on the 3 o'clock number here. So oil just spiked down another 30 cents. It's below 46. It's definitely going to go here to 44.22, if not 43. If you're looking to be a buyer, that would be the area in here. But the profile to me is very top heavy. At 49 level, this is a 4-hour chart, which is about a 9-month look of the chart, showed that we weren't going to get back above this area without a pullback. So at least looking for a pullback here. This is again managing a longer term position, utilizing this profile on a longer term notion. This is where using multiple time frames is really key. So any rally until we close over, say, 48.50, I want to remain to the short side of this trade. If it closes over 48.50 for 1 day and then 2 days, I'm going to be wrong. But right now, I've been short. My average is really figures out to be, because I've been in and out 3 times on half the position, my average is well above where the market's even traded of late. So my average is probably somewhere around 53, 54. So it makes it very easy to keep pressing the trade, especially when you know your exit is above this rectangle that we showed in here. So wanted to just touch base a little bit and show how you utilize the longer standing market profile to manage a longer term trade beyond a short term chart. So you've gone from, if you will, you've gone from playing in a tighter playing field to playing in an area with a longer time frame. So this would be the shorter terms. Again, on a 1 week chart, you can see we've busted through new lows, new lows, new lows, and now, due to that longer term chart, you want to concern yourself with the midterm charts. And this is why you look at the multiple time frames and look at, if you want to play a longer term time frame, this is where it's important that you understand the next levels and how the profile shakes out. Again, fib number here, 44.25. We've been seeking 44.55. We won't be greedy, and look for that to continue to go down before it balances somewhere in this area. 44.50 to 43 is where I think we will balance. So that's it. Hope everybody has a great trading day. Listen, we've got a couple workshops coming up. September 21st is the next one. I'll put a link in the video here, and we'll see you on the other side. Thanks.